Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
Happy holidays, everyone. We hope you're enjoying this holiday season.
This year, we've decided to make a donation to Lollipop Farm so they can continue to brighten pets' lives this holiday season and all year long. These furry little friends are more than pets, they're family. When it comes to family, time is the best gift of all. And it's in giving that we truly receive. Lollipop Farm is committed to building lifelong bonds between people and animals through adoption, education, and community outreach. And Rochester is home to many wonderful charities and programs which help spread goodwill to all. Here are just a few that are personally important to us. This season, we hope you'll consider giving back to the community you proudly call home.
We're Rich Testa Real Estate, saying happy holidays to the whole family. Cheers to living here.